Assalamu alaikum YouTube. Today I am going to tell you about a site. It's very amazing. I know you had visited many sites and downloaded many apps about online earning, but it's very amazing. How can you earn fast and easily from the site? Okay, so let's go to a start. How can we earn from the site? Now listen carefully. Just go to the link below, which is given on the description of this video. After opening the site, just click at the register now button, and now fill forms with email, username and password, and just click at the register button. Now after registration, just log in with your username and password. When you logged in, a link will show on the home screen, which will be your referral link. Now start to earn money from the site. How? Just copy your referral link and paste it on your Facebook account, YouTube, your Twitter account, on the other websites, blogs, and send your friends. And now listen, if a person view your link, then you will earn automatically $0.5, and if 2 people view your link, then you will earn $1. So it's on your hand. How can you share your link with friends on social media, websites and other email addresses? So for example, if 100 people view your link in a day, so that's mean you will earn $50 in a day, and now you will count for a month, so $1,500 you will earn in a month. So that's good, very amazing. So share your link as you can, and now you are ready to earn money day by day. So you will not do anything without share your link. Okay, hope you have liked this trick. Thanks for watching. So please share this video, because when this video will reach more than 500 views, then I will upload the second and other parts of this video and other tricks. So please, if you have a problem, just go to the description and note our email address and send your problem or suggestion in our email address. Okay, thanks for watching.